So, Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch. I'm still up at the Horny Toad, just finished up. I'm doing this whole thing piece by piece. And I didn't show this earlier, I just cleaned this out. But there's a bunch of little aloes in the crevice of this rock, which is so fun. And so I'm gonna be adding some plants here tomorrow. I'm coming back. So that'll be fun to see what that looks like. And then let's go see how the planter turned out. Now, again, this is being done in stages. I wasn't able to get to these gold torches or whatever they might be. I'm not sure what these are. They could be Johnsonii or something else, and I don't know if gold torch is the same thing as Johnsonii. But anyways, I ended up moving some of the little aloes down here that were hiding back here, which you can see there's still some back there, but I cleaned them up. Let's see if we can get a good look at those. So yeah, there's some little aloes there. I realized that when you're sitting at the table just beyond these little wagon wheel openings to the patio, you can see these little aloes. So now I want to do something real special back there. But I love these little aloes because I can start using them all over the place. Tomorrow my son is going to come and help me move this golden barrel, and so then I'm going to try to do something cool over here. Hopefully get these cleaned out. I may have to pull them all out and reset them just to make them look good after looking at them more closely, and it's going to be kind of a big job. So tomorrow we'll be resetting the cactus, moving the golden barrel, and then adding some plants into that little rock over there, and probably a few other things. So, I mean, this doesn't look bad with the golden barrel here. I just think it would look better if it was moved. Although, to tell you the truth, the more I look at it, the more I actually kind of like it. But that was like my big thing when I talked to the owner. I'm like, this could move and we could do something nice here, and you can see the other plants. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might leave it. But these gold torches, Johnsonii things, really need to be reset, and this whole thing needs to be jazzed up. So this is a Rum Runner here, Agave, and I love those little guys. I was thinking about trying one of those quadricolors as well, but these are a really good price, and I think they're just as awesome as the quadricolors. And I may need to pull that in the summer and over summer it somewhere in the shade. But it should be happy here until June, I would imagine. So, all right. That's it for the Horny Toad today. Stay tuned for more. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Stop the presses. This thing had a bunch of brown leaves, and so I picked out the brown leaves and trimmed them back. Looks better. Super happy. All right. When it rains, go out and dance.